So I actually have some time to kill now. I'm in the car waiting, and I thought I should actually show you guys my trade breakdown and a little rundown of yesterday. But firstly, I need to drop a few notes on gold in general, like a few tips on whoever trades gold or whoever is interested in trading gold. Based on my experience from gold, bro, this is just a personal report. I'm not a financial advisor. But based on my experience with gold is not a set and forget type of thing, bro. You know how people like to, unless you're trading it on the 4 hour time frame. Hold on. Unless you're trading gold on the 4 hour time frame, bro, and your stops are set on like very large margins, gold is one of them things where you put in your position, you watch the chart, bro. Gold is the master liquidator. It will take your funds so quickly. So you need to actually watch the charts when you're trading gold, specifically with gold. Like other setups, especially if you're an intraday trader, with other setups, I can confidently put a setup, let it run until TP hit. Calm things, right? But when it comes to gold, bro, you need to watch it because it will show you that you know nothing about trading. It will make you feel like you know nothing about trading, especially if you're intraday trading gold. If you want to swing gold, that's another story. But if you want to get it like on an intraday thing, you gotta stay woke, bro, because it really reacts off of so many zones. Like if you're gonna place your stop on a specific structure, just know that that stop is gonna get hit, especially with gold. It's the master ranger, bro. So these are the positions I actually took this morning. I took 2 trades as seen there, and I'll actually explain what I was thinking in these trades and why I got out at the places that I did. That's actually gonna be a nice long video for you guys, eh? A big glare on the screen, so I cannot really show you guys the Mac. Like, check, bro, this is not productive at all. Can barely see anything, but I can show you on my phone. So what actually happened, as you can see here, there were 2 positions that I entered at 2 separate times. So what happened was I saw actually the 1 minute at the 9:30, it just impulsed up. And I was looking for sells initially throughout the whole morning. But at 9:30, it impulsed up, and I was like, okay, it's gonna continue a bit of a move up before it does anything, right? So it impulsed up, created some rejections there at the base. Let me show you guys. This is probably the worst trade breakdown I've ever shown you guys, but yeah. Okay, this looks better. But yeah, you see here at the bottom, there was accumulation, a little bit of accumulation here, and then a change in structure to the upside. And that's where I entered my trade over here. Because I saw that it impulsed up, trended down a little bit on the 1 minute, and then it broke structure to the upside. So that was a perfect opportunity to just enter upwards. And then I took the buys all the way up to here. Then I pulled out immediately because I knew that there's a potential to reverse, especially from the zone up here. Now, I waited for another opportunity because I saw it tank down. I expected that tank down. But then what I was initially thinking is that, okay, the market is gonna reverse a little bit after this impulse, because that's typically how gold moves. It will always just come back, bro, unless there's like news or something. So I waited for it to come back, and then I entered another buy after it broke down to this structure and it was in another fair value gap, right? Now, with the gold, this is the one tip I would literally say. Always, especially if you're scalping it. Gold can make you hella bread if you're scalping it, but you need to be aware of the likeliness of it reacting to certain zones. Because 9 times out of 10, gold will react to every zone in order to reach liquidity. So I took this buy again, and it was a very short buy, but it did give me some profit. But the reason why I got out of it, because I was intentionally planning on entering the buy position and then targeting like a higher risk to reward, like a 1 to 7 or something, based on like the overall structure, obviously. But you need to watch gold, bro. So I watched it, and then I saw on the 1 minute. Let me show you. I saw here on the 1 minute. See how I placed the fair value gap there? I entered here, and I was initially gonna literally let this thing run up to the top. But I saw exactly how it reacted on this fair value gap. And the second it did, I was like, nope, it's time to call it a day. That's not gonna be a trade. That's gonna first take away my first profit, and then go up within the entire move, which is actually what it kind of did. It ranged for a little bit. But my point here is literally, if you're gonna trade gold, just stay woke, bro. Be on it, watch it, and see what it does, because 9 times out of 10 is that it reacts off of every single zone. So if you're in a heavy position for a small account, let's say I'm flipping a 10-pound account, I'll take a 50-pound profit instead of trying to ride it out to like 100 pounds. Do you get what I mean? Especially with flipping accounts, like if you're gonna put in a small amount, claim the low-hanging fruit, bro, because gold will literally give you profit and then take it right back. So yeah, I saw that rejection. That 1 minute rejection was enough to tell me that, yo, get out while you still have the bread, because after that, it literally tanked all the way down. So that's literally my 2 cents on gold trades, bro. Gold is one of those pairs that I'm just like, nah, I'm not with it, bro. Like, I know exactly how to trade gold. And when you're trading gold, you should be thankful that you made money, especially when you're scalping it. Be grateful, because it presents a lot of scalping opportunities. But if you're greedy with the scalp, if you try to hit home runs with the scalp, it will finish you.